Hello student, welcome to my channel G Science. So yesterday we have discussed how the image is formed in the concave mirror. So today we have discussed summary of the images formed by a concave mirror. So firstly, position of the object, position, size and nature of the image. So when the object is placed between focus and pole, then the image formed is behind the mirror, virtual and erect and enlarged in size. Secondly, when the object is placed at focus point, then the image will form at the infinity, real and inverted and highly magnified. And when the object is placed between F and C, then the image is formed beyond C, real and inverted and enlarged. At C, the position of the image will be at C of same size, real and inverted. Beyond C, if the object is placed beyond C, then the image will form between F and C, diminished size and real and inverted. At infinity, the image is formed at focus point, highly diminished, real and inverted. Now the next topic is what are the uses of the concave mirror. So concave mirror used as a shaving mirror to see the enlarged image of the face. Secondly, it is used by the dentist to see the large image of your teeth to operate something. Third, as a reflector in the torches, in searchlight, in vehicles headlight, we will use the concave mirror. As a doctor head mirror mirrors to focus the light radiation on a particular area. And TV dish antenna, we will also use the concave mirror. In solar furnace, to collect the sun radiation at a point, we will also use the concave mirror. Now the next topic is sign convention for the spherical mirrors. So these days the new Cartesian sign convention is used for measuring the various distance in the spherical mirror. So first sign convention is all the distance are measured from the pole. So we will consider the pole as the origin to measure all the distances. Second, that distance measured in the same direction as that of incident radiation. जिस डायरेक्शन में इंसिडेंट रेडिएशन जा रही है और उसी डायरेक्शन में आप डिस्टेंस मेजर कर रहे हो, then it will be taken as positive. Distance measured against the direction of incident radiation is taken as negative. जिस डायरेक्शन में इंसिडेंट रेडिएशन जा रही है और आप उससे अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में डिस्टेंस मेजर कर रहे हो, then it will be taken as negative. Distance measured upward and perpendicular to principal axis is taken as negative because object is taken above the principal axis is taken as positive, and the distance measured downward to the principal axis is taken as negative. So I will explain with the help of the diagram. This is concave mirror. Center of the spherical mirror is known as pole, and a straight line which is passing from the pole and center of curvature is known as principal axis. So first is that all the distance are measured from pole. So pole is the origin to measure all the distance. You all know that the object is placed always in front of the mirror, so always in the left direction. So when you have to measure the object distance, so you will start from point P, which is a pole. You have to move left side in the opposite direction of the incident radiation, because incident direction is incident on the reflecting surface, and you have to measure the distance of the object from the pole. So you have to starting from the pole and move towards the objects. So you will move opposite to the incident radiation, so the object distance is negative. If for example, if the image is formed on the back side, for example image is formed is here, then you have to measure the distance from the pole. So move to right direction, and incident radiation will also go in the right direction. So the distance of the image from the pole is taken as positive because the direction of the incident radiation and the direction of measuring is also same direction. So image distance is taken as a positive in this case. For example, this is a focus point. You have to measure the focal length. So you move from pole to the focus point, and incident radiation in this direction. So focal length is also negative in case of the concave mirror. Same as radius of curvature, you have to move from pole to center of curvature. It is opposite to the incident radiation, so it will also taken as a negative. If the object in the upward direction, you know that the object is placed always in the upward direction. So the object is in the upward direction to the principal axis, so it will be taken as the positive. If the image will formed in downward direction, then the height of the image is taken as the negative. So next topic is mirror formula. It is a formula which gives the relationship between the three terms V, U and F. Here V is the image distance, U is the object distance, and F is the focal length. A formula which gives the relationship between the object distance U, image distance V and focal length F. And the formula is 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Here V is the image distance, U is the object distance and F is the focal length. So the mirror formula is 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. V is the image distance, U is the object distance and F is the focal length. Now linear magnification produced by the mirror. What is the linear magnification? How the image is big or small than the object. So we will calculate by the formula M. Linear magnification is denoted by the word M. It is the ratio of the height of the image divided by height of the object. So linear magnification is equal to the height. It is the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. Its another formula is also here. The M is equal to H2 by H1, where H2 is the height of the image height, and H1 is the object height. Another formula is also minus V by U. This is also a formula of the linear magnification. So linear magnification is equal to minus V by U, which is equal to H2 by H1. If the magnification of positive sign, it means the image will be always virtual and real. M is equal to H2 by H1. You know that H1 is always positive because object is always placed upward direction in the principal axis. So H1 is positive according to the new Cartesian sign convention. If H2 is also positive, H2 positive means if the object will form upward direction. And you all know that in case of the concave mirror, there is only one case when the object is placed between pole and focus point, then the image is virtual and it will be formed above the principal axis. So if the H2 is positive and H1 is also positive, then we can say that the image formed is always virtual and erect. But if the magnification is negative, if M is negative, then image formed is real and inverted. This is a mirror, concave mirror, pole. You know that M is equal to H2 by H1. So H1 is always positive. Magnification is negative means H2 is negative, and H2 is negative when the image will form real, because in real image the image is downward direction to the principal axis. So H2 is negative and H1 is always positive. So when the M is negative, then image will be real and inverted. Now we have discussed the numerical problem based on the concave mirror. So in the numerical problems, the sign conventions are used here. So first numerical is find the size, nature and position of the image formed when the object of size 1 centimeter is placed at a distance of 15 cm from a concave mirror of focal length 10 cm. Firstly, read the numerical carefully. After that, write down the terms which have given in the numerical. Firstly, you have given the object of the size 1 cm. Object have the size means height is given. So height of the object is represented by the letter h1, which is equal to 1 cm. Is placed at a distance of 15 cm. It means the object distance is given. It means u is given 15 cm. From a concave mirror of focal length 10 cm, f is equal to 10 cm. So f is positive or negative, u is positive or negative, h1 is positive or negative. According to diagram, we will see that. So concave mirror, pole, here is the focal length, focus point, center of curvature. Find the size, nature and position of the image. You have to find out the size means h2, nature real inverted और virtual or direct, position v calculate करना आप सबको. तो we have given h1 height of the object. You all know that the object is placed upward direction of the principal axis, so h1 is always taken as positive. U distance of the object from the pole. So you all know that all the distance are measured from the pole. From object, the incident radiation are towards the reflecting surface, and the distance is measured from the pole. So we will move in this direction to measure the distance. So incident radiation and the distance measured is in the opposite direction. So u is taken as negative. Focal length, you have to move from pole to focus point to measure the focal length, and incident radiation is moved towards this. So this is the opposite to each other. So focal length is also negative. Okay. So you have to find out the nature, position and image, and the terms we have given right here. Okay. So firstly, according to mirror formula, you have to find out right here size, nature and position. You have to calculate these three things. So now according to mirror formula, what is the mirror formula? 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Write down the mirror formula. 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. 1 by v plus 1 by u. What is u? Minus 50 is equal to 1 by f. F is minus 10. So 1 by v plus minus 1 by 15 is equal to minus 1 by 10. So 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 15. LCM is 30 minus 3 plus 2, which is equal to minus 1 by 30. Here is 1 by v. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 30. So 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 30. So cross multiply, v is equal to minus 30 centimeter. It means the position of the image is 30. Minus sign means it is in left hand side. So image will formed in the left hand side. So always it will be a real and inverted image because negative sign is there. So image formed real and inverted. It's nature of the image. Now the size, how we will calculate the size? Magnification is equal to h2 by h1 is equal to minus v by u. So h2 divided by, what is h1? 1 is equal to minus, what is v? Minus 30 divided by u minus 50. Minus minus plus is equal to minus 2. h2 is equal to minus 2. Minus sign means downward direction, and 2 means the size of the object is 1, small size, and size of the image is larger, it means 2. So magnified image is formed, enlarged image is formed, real and inverted, and enlarged image is formed. Now the second numerical is a concave mirror produces a 3-time magnified real image of an object placed at a 10 cm in front of it. Where is the image located? So we have to calculate the V. firstly a concave mirror, so draw the diagram. This point is pole, principal axis. Concave mirror produces the 3 times magnified real image. So we will discuss earlier, if the image is real, then magnification is taken as negative. So 3 times magnification, 3 times magnified image, so m is taken as -3. U is given is, object is placed 10 centimeter in front of it. So object is here at 10 centimeter. So we measure the distance from pole. So in this direction, and incident radiation is in this direction, opposite to each other, so taken as negative. We have to calculate the V. So according to M formula, which is equal to -V by U, -3 is equal to -V divided by -10, minus plus, V is equal to -30 centimeter. So image is formed in this direction because negative sign is there. So incident radiation is in this direction, and we will measure the distance from pole. So it is a negative. So negative, and image is formed is real and inverted. And the left side of the object. Now the third numerical is the magnification produced by a plane mirror is +1. You all know that magnification is equal to h2 by h1. And when this is 1, when the height of the image and the height of the object will be same, then its value is 1. It means the size of the object is equal to the size of the image. And in case of the plane mirror, we all know that the image produced is virtual and erect. So the magnification produced by the plane mirror is +1. What does this mean? It means the height of the image is equal to the height of the object, and secondly, the image will be formed always virtual and the erect. So student, if you like my video, so please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.